bet with my friend that if I lost the game of Uno, I'd put my headset in a microwave. Who wants to watch?
Well, put it in the microwave. I want to watch.
Yeah, bro, come here. I'll put my headset in the microwave.
Okay, dude.
Okay, I'm taking it off. You actually want me to put my... Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Alright.
Well, it's gonna be the funniest moment.
Okay, so I've taken off my headset. Now...
Please don't. Hi, Baker.
Bro, you
I might get some
microwave.
fire.
He put his headset in the microwave.
I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Oh, that's beautiful. That was a good reaction. These guys wanted to play tag, so I'm gonna go play tag with them. But yeah, that's it. Bye.